Right, so I already can like run this app, okay, and I can already like play this as a whack-a-mole, okay. But clearly we got a lot of problem. One is that it's too small, okay. The other is that the color is not too like a stand out, so I might have to change it. Maybe replace that with a whack-a-mole or anything image as just like a placeholder. And first, let's change that to I don't know, 100. Can I do like a crazy 100? Okay, and everything just like a loop things, state, yeah, nothing wrong with that. Right, horizontal view, yeah. It doesn't seem to give it constraint. So let's try whether it can support 100 whack-a-mole. So running, and it's not going out. So that's a very ominous sign. And I'm going to run it again. Build successful, should working. It's running. Whack anything. Okay. Why is not appear? That's really weird. Okay, I can't. Okay, application's not responding, so maybe I just got like too much. So let's go back here. Maybe not going to work. 100. So maybe just 50. Okay, can I just get away with 50? Let's rebuild it. And it's running and it's not showing. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely something wrong, and I might need to change it. Okay, it's not here, definitely not here, but it's definitely running. Okay, let's quickly check it. Okay, it turns out that 10 is okay, and let me just gradually increase that to like 15. Okay. Okay, 15 is also okay. So you can click this, will just randomly appear. So maybe that's too much. Okay. If you think about this, like this is 15, so 100. Yeah, that's definitely out of the range. So that's definitely not okay. So click this, click this, click this. Yeah, everything works fine. And so let's beautify this. Right now it's like a default color. So thing states we got like a color brown or gray. Okay, and so for example, maybe not gray. We can like use a, I don't know, the red color. Okay, just to make it stand out. So guys can see it like more clearly. Yeah, so here's our mole. Okay, and of course, you can make a state change as a return of a certain string, and then change that string and pass that string to a sister image. Okay, let me edit this. Okay, just to change it a little bit. And I believe we can find some like SF symbol for it. So we bring you guys the SF symbol, and it's not showing yet here. So do I have like a here? Yeah. So let's whack this. So here it's like here availability monochrome. Yeah. Maybe use this or this, or maybe some circle. Okay, just have some of a visual representation of the thing that you whack. Can I have a mouse? Can I have? Okay, you can have a mouse like this. It's fun. Why not? Why not? Using magic mouse for it. Okay, let's try this. So basically, I'm going to change the button. Okay, so we got like a button action board tab. Okay, I'm going to just completely change the layout. So the button, yeah, this is like a button and the trailing lever. So yeah, let me just cut it. Okay, let me just action. Okay, and I'm going to execute a certain action. Yeah, maybe just for simplicity. Okay, I'm going to just delete everything and write from scratch. So button. Okay, I find that it's easier to write this way. Okay, action, and you can execute that action by say that. Remember that we got board. Okay, we got certain tab and certain row at the column. So I'm going to just say row, and then I'm going to say column. Okay, column. Okay, call. Yeah, I named the call. So once you're finished that, then it's game. Okay, just outside of this. And as a trailing, I might just use the SF symbol image by passing the system image, and so the system image, yeah, we have to get that specific board, okay, and get that different rows, and passing the row as well as column, and get that specific state equals to dots, okay, whether it's out or or we can choose different things. So one is the I believe it's called here, or mouse, or magic mouse. Okay, let me just use magic mouse. So copy name. Okay, maybe mouse like this, not specific. If that's too specific, Apple may not like approve this. Computer terminals view, computer mouse. Okay, so silly me. So I'm going to change here to computer mouse, and or we can choose maybe just use the circle for this one. Okay, so just choose, and then we can even adjust the size. Okay, so we can using font to adjust the size, and I can say the system a certain size that you float. Let me just pass 50. I'm not sure it will work. It's just try things for the first time. So let's change the foreground color, and we can say the board. I believe I can reference that. So board dot rows, and we can pass in the row as well as column, and the dot state, and the dots. Do I have a color? Change color. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I actually write this code. Okay, never mind. Let's continue. We got this state color. So basically, just the colors depend on the state, and we can have a background. Let me use. I think previously like a square. Let me use circle for that. Okay, circle. You can fill that with specific color dots. Let's just clear the color. Okay, and then trailing here, we can do some like a button style. Just make it the default plain button style, so we can further customize it. Okay. It's just something like that. And then on the peer board, let's try this out. I'm not sure this will work. Okay, and just to do that for a first time, I'm able to type check. Okay, let me replace it. And yeah, it's building. It's building. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. Let's pause it for a few seconds. Okay, I solved this problem. Okay, so it just got something like this. Okay, so you click this mouse, and it will disappear. Oh, pretty good, yeah. It's so satisfying to see you can whack a mouse. Okay, so yeah, really really interesting, and it's endless. Okay, so you won't be able to like see the end. And in fact, it's really really simple. You just need to change the image. Okay, I change that to board row and column row and the user system, and you got like a font size, and change the background color. And right here, I believe the color will like a complain. The only thing you need to do is that you just make it super clear at the sync state. Okay, just specify it's not any shape but rather color, and you can go to the game view, okay, and write a private function. So if your state is out, it will just be a mouse out, a computer mouse out. So if it's under, it will be just like a circle, okay, and it works pretty well, and hopefully it can also work on iPhone. Let me use a simulator to the recent Pro Max. Let's use Pro Max for that. Okay. So we'll spend a little bit of time build, and hopefully it will run. Okay, build successful. That's pretty good. Installing into the iPhone. So yeah, it seems that it's working, but yeah, it's too small screen. Okay, I believe if you rotate it, it will work fine. Okay, and maybe I'm going to like make it smaller and less. So let's just like estimate. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 should be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 6. Okay, 6. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 by 6. Okay, 13 by 6. Let's go to the board, and I'm going to. So the row will be 13, and the column will be 6. So I'm going to try this. Of course, you have to like try that in different screen, different machine in order for it to work. Okay, so yeah, obviously this does not work. Okay, this do work. Okay, so you can like fix it this screen. Okay, and it seems they got a really nice animation. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. How cool is that? Okay, and of course, I believe if you change that to my Mac, and you can do something like this. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, I think that will be all for this video. Okay, so in next video, maybe I'm going to add some like a game mechanism that you can like maybe game over, or upper level or down level, something like that. Okay, it will be great fun. Bye.